During the school year, we all look forward to summer break. But when it comes, how many times have you been sitting there super bored wondering what to do? Well, I've got the solution in today's video. It's all about creating a summer bucket list. Hey, I'm Mallory and I'm a teen therapist and I love making mental health videos for teens. Earlier this week, I asked my followers over on Instagram to tell me what's on their summer bucket list for this year, and I'll get to those later in the video. But first, what the heck is a summer bucket list? You may have seen other YouTubers or Instagrammers posting their summer bucket lists, though the idea of creating a bucket list is not a new idea. It's been around for a while. It's basically a list of ideas or activities that you want to try or accomplish before a set time period is over. Now, I love the idea of creating the summer bucket list for teens because, let's be real, it can get a little boring over summer break. It can make you feel really depressed when you don't have things to fill your time with, especially when you don't have school to provide a distraction. Because even though school can be really stressful, it does give us something to occupy and fill our time and attention during the academic year. When summer break hits, we have lots of open free time to fill, and that can feel really overwhelming when you're feeling bored or depressed. And this is especially true if you're somebody who enjoys studying, is active in sports, or any other club or activity that happens during the school year. A lot of these things that occupy our time when we're teenagers do take a break over summer. It's actually one of the reasons that I don't take a break from my girls groups over the summer, because I know how important having something to look forward to can be really, really helpful when you're already feeling depressed. So here's how I recommend making your summer bucket list so that it's filled with fun and exciting things that keep you from being bored and depressed. I would split your list into 3 separate categories: things you have to do, things that you already know that you enjoy doing, and new things you want to try or learn this summer. Okay, now that you know the 3 categories, I want you to set a timer for 10 minutes and just do a brain dump listing everything that you want to or could do or that you have to do this summer. For example, I know most of you would like to ignore this, but a lot of us have summer reading or math packet that we have to get done this summer. So make sure that lands on the list of the things that you have to do this summer. Some other cool things that you could add are getting a summer job, looking for somewhere to volunteer, getting your volunteer hours in. I know a lot of high schools require this now before you can graduate, and summer is a great time to fit that in. These things can be wild or simple, totally up to you. I do recommend putting at least 1 to 3 items in each category. That way you have a variety of things that you can choose from. And if you happen to come across a cool idea later, or you're like, oh my gosh, I really want to try that, add that to the list. It's totally okay. Just because it's not on your list at the start doesn't mean that you can't change or add things as things go on. Because let's be real, sometimes we change our mind, and that's okay. One thing that I recommend to the teens that I work with often is to go ahead and invite some friends to participate with you. So say that you're really interested in learning how to draw better and you come across this really cool teen workshop near you. Go ahead and invite some friends to do it with you. If they do, cool, awesome. If not, no sweat. Or let's say that you're really looking forward to seeing that new movie. Invite a friend to come along too. Now, of course, before you start inviting your friends, make sure that your parents are cool with that too, especially if they're going to be needed to arrange transportation or rides or coordinate care. Don't keep score. A lot of times when we make lists like this, we're like, oh my gosh, I didn't get to everything, or I still have so much to do. Making this list is not meant to be fully completed. If you do, that's cool. Make another one. If not, guess what? That's okay. This list is just to have some options so that when you are feeling bored or depressed, you're not sitting there twiddling your thumbs, wasting away your day scrolling through Instagram photos or videos on YouTube. Unless they're on this channel, of course. Here are the things that you told me that you have on your summer bucket list for 2019. All right, I'm just going to scroll through them. So I asked over on Instagram earlier this week what you have on your summer bucket list for 2019, and here's what you had to tell me. Going hiking around Salt Lake City for the first time. Very cool. Always swimming and finding secret lakes to swim in. Sensing a theme here. Definitely get a lot of downtime and do everything I don't do enough of. Read more, travel, meditate, and all the other good stuff. I like that. I'm actually trying to meditate more myself. Exploring more hiking trails and being outside in the good weather as much as possible. Oh, I am all about being in nature. I just got back from a trip in New Hampshire and it was amazing. There's just something about being in nature that helps you reset. Oh, this one must be from a parent. We're finally taking the kids to Canada's Wonderland, though she's not too thrilled about it. I've never been there. That sounds very cool. Ooh, this one's from New Zealand. It's winter here in New Zealand, but I'm heading to the tropics of Bali soon, so my bucket list will be to going canyoning. I'm not sure what canyoning is. Tell me more. If you know, tell me in the comments because I haven't heard this before. Get out on the water in a canoe. Very cool. Successfully float on a unicorn floaty without feeling silly and help start changing another 5 lives through coaching. That is a cool thing. I would love to see pictures of your unicorn floaty. I think that's amazing. I have a friend who's obsessed with unicorns and she would love that. To get tan and swim more. I'm with you on the tanning. I'm not a huge swimmer though. Making it to the water park. Oh, these are great. So it seems like a lot of you really enjoy water-based activities. Now, of course, if you're not into water, I mean, I don't mind being near the ocean. I don't need to be in the ocean. I'm one of those. So you can totally customize your summer bucket list to anything that you want. And I would love to hear from you. What's on your summer bucket list? Let me know in the comments below because you could help inspire somebody else. If you're looking for a fun way of staying on top of your self-care this summer, go ahead and watch the video on your screen right now where I'm going to tell you all about self-care bingo for teens. Do not forget to share this video because you never know who it could help. Thanks for watching.